Are you wanting more Pinterest followers? If so, comment yes below and add your Pinterest profile URL if you'd like me to give you a follow. Guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to my channel where I share affiliate marketing tips to fuel your freedom. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to generate my first 1,000 followers on Pinterest less than 7 days with some very simple steps I'm going to share with you right now. So stay tuned. Step number one, add a good profile picture. If you're branding yourself, make sure you have a picture of you. You can have, it with your family or your spouse. I personally use it with my wife as well in the picture, and it seems to be working great for me. Step number two, add 10 boards to your account. Now, these boards should be stuff that you're interested or that are affiliated with your brand, something you're trying to sell. So because I'm in the affiliate marketing space and making money online, my boards are about that. I also have travel and freedom, and I like cars, so I have a few boards about cars. On these boards, you can optimize them. You can add keywords and add a description and title. I suggest making sure that people can find these things, so optimize them correctly. Step number three is to add 10 pins within each of these boards, and they can be other people's pins, so just search. So if it's cars, search cool cars, and the cars you like, add them to that one board. All right, so that is the framework, the foundation of the things you need to do first before you start doing step number four. Step number four is to add 500 people, to follow 500 people every day. Now, let me break this down of how you should do this. You cannot follow 500 people in one setting. That could take, about a half hour. I don't think Pinterest allows that. They allow you to follow, but I've noticed that if I try to follow like 1,000 people in a short amount of time, that it actually doesn't, it shows that I only followed like 200 or something. So you need to follow 100 people in a small increment. So my suggestion, it takes me literally 1 to 2 minutes to follow 100 people. So I do that in the morning, and then at lunchtime, and if I'm going to the bathroom, or if I want to take a break or whatever, and then at dinner time, before I go to bed, and sure enough, I followed 500 people in one day. Guys, I was able to do this. I am literally following like 3,000 people, and I did that in 6 days, and I have over 1,000 followers in my account, and I literally just started this account just barely. So anyone can do this. If you have thumbs on your mobile device, you can follow people and they will follow you back. I'm going to share with you a few different strategies. I'm going to record my phone right now of how I do this. So let's dive into that. Okay, you guys, here is my Pinterest profile. I'm recording this from my phone. As you see, I've got 1,200 followers. I'm currently following just over 4,000. So about a fourth of the people that I follow are following me back, which is really awesome. As you see, most of these followers I'm not even following, so I didn't follow them initially, and sure enough, they found me. So how is this happening? Well, if you go to following, I'm following usually bigger accounts. If I scroll down here, like Audi, Lamborghini, those are the type of things. So this is how I do it, okay, guys? So I go up to here, I go to search, and I go to people. And let's try like Costco, see if Costco has something. Sure enough, they do. So they have 7.6 million viewers. Wow, I had no idea. Only 55 people follow them, which is fine. So I'm following Costco right now. So I like to go to following. It looks like they're actually following a lot of people. So this is probably, they're only following 34 people. That's okay. So I like to follow who they're following because there's a reason why they're only following 34 people, and it's because these people are legit right here on Pinterest. So as you see, I just literally went through, I used both thumbs and followed 2 people at a time. So I did that, and now I can go back up to followers, and I can just start scrolling through. I like to only follow people with profile pictures, and as you saw there, I didn't
on that one. As you can see, there kind of can be some sketchy profile pictures on here, so just giving you a heads up to be aware of that, just to kind of skim through some spam on here. So that's how you do. That is how you follow people, and that's how you get followers back. Okay, you guys, let's do a little recap here. Step number 1, add a profile. Step number 2, add boards, 10 boards. And then step number 3, add 10 pins within those boards. And then step number 4, if you're wanting 1,000 followers in 1 week, you need to follow about 500 people on Pinterest every day. And if you do that, a fourth of them should follow you back, and that will get you very close to 1,000 followers on Pinterest in 1 week, okay? Another thing I will say, step number 5, this is the last step I'm going to share with you guys, is to look into Tailwind. Why am I explaining Tailwind? Because this is where your pins will get reposted automatically. You can get into these Tailwind tribes. And guys, this is where you will actually get viewers to your content, to your pins, and it'll also help you get more followers and overall get more clicks to your pins that go to your links that therefore can make you money. Okay, guys? So there are 5 steps of how to grow your Pinterest following and how to get 1,000 followers in 1 week. Guys, thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please smash that like button. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.